Morning, everybody. Well, it's a typical January day here in the inland west. So I'm gonna be probably hunkered down in my garage most of the day. Started a project trying to organize myself for the starting the new year, going through my tools, and came across this rusted up pair of needle nose pliers here. It's been sitting in the bottom of the toolbox all rusted up, so I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up and get it back, get it oiled so it's working again. Kind of a nice little set of needle nose, but go get the rust off of it. I'm just gonna use some simple vinegar here. I'm gonna throw it in this empty Folgers coffee can and just pour my vinegar in and let it soak for a while, and then we'll take some steel wool and get that thing shined back up. So I'm just gonna pour vinegar in there and cover it up and let those pliers soak for a while, and go about getting the rest of my garage organized here. Anyway, I'm just gonna let those things soak, and we'll be back. So, before I forget, subscribe to my channel. Yes, sir, you need to do that right now, and come along with me. Well, hey there. Just getting back to finishing this video. Started this video, I don't know, a week ago, 7 days ago. Got sidetracked with some life events here and haven't finished it, but started this. It was fixing up this pair of rusted out, snubby nose pair of pliers that I'd found one time, and I just tossed it in my toolbox. Couldn't open them, all rusted up, and so anyway, I tossed them in this coffee can full of vinegar. I was just gonna let them soak overnight and get them polished up, but they wound up dog barking. Doesn't like to be left out of the video, but I'm just gonna let them soak overnight and get them polished up next day. It's actually soaked in here quite longer than that, but anyway, here they are, just getting them polished up. Things are pretty well pitted, so they've been buried in the ground for a while, but the cutting edge there is still sharp, and yeah, I think they'll work just fine. But there's all the rust that came off them. I don't know if you see that in there, but the vinegar did just regular old white vinegar did the trick here on getting the rust off these and getting them so they work. And I think I'll just polish them up here a little bit more, and I'm going to toss them in my toolbox, and I'll have another pair of snubby nose pliers. If you've been watching my videos, this is the vise that I redid. It was all rusted up. It came out of my great grandpa's shop. Got it back, using it. So anyway, yeah, don't throw away old tools. You can get them working again. Thanks for tuning in, and follow along with me here. I've got other projects I'm going to be working on. Be making some more videos for sure. Hit that sub button and come along with me.